Hi there, I'm Peggy McColl. I'm a New York Times bestselling author, and I am the president of a company called Dynamic Destinies, Inc. I've been in business now for 30 years, running my own business as an entrepreneur, and I have been studying success, both professionally and personally, for about 45 years now. And I recently took the Breakthrough Point assessment with Corporate Class and Diane Craig, and I was blown away. It's really important that we understand ourselves. But I was having a discussion with Diane Craig, and I was sharing with her that I had experienced some phenomenal success in my career. But yet I felt that there was something more, that there was a breakthrough that I was about to have. I felt that there was something that was blocking me and holding me back, but I didn't know what it was. And I was having this conversation with Diane, and she said to me, I think what would really help you is the breakthrough point assessment. And she was absolutely right. I was blown away with the results. And yes, it confirmed a number of things, but where it really helped me was it identified where the block was so that I could release it and open up the flow for even more success in my life. So I absolutely recommend it. Working with Diane has made such a profound impact in my life. And, it was at a time where I felt that I had studied everything that was out there and gone through all the programs and read all the books. But this was truly unique, very different. It's very personal, and it gets to understand you. You understand you with the help of Corporate Class and Diane Craig. So I can't recommend it enough. It has made a profound difference within me with my understanding, but also with results. And I think that's ultimately what people want, is better and better results. So I recommend it. Get involved. Make sure that you follow through. And working with Corporate Class and Diane Craig is definitely one of the best investments that I've ever made. Have fun with it, and I'm certain you're going to feel the same way, perhaps even better. Enjoy.